we got a Land Rover Discovery 4. Alright, so the car come here only using close proxy. The two keys, one was working, one don't work. One throwing frequency, the other one don't throw frequency. It didn't accept the key, the programming like it fell. But as soon as it fails, the central locking start working. And then we reprogram the second key. So everything was fine. But when the customer come here with the car, he only say he was putting the key here for 10 minutes, but he's struggling. So this is for the closed proxy. Yeah, but he was spending a lot of time trying to start the car. And then after that, we fix it. Now we can put the key in the back seat or in the boot of the car. Mwah, I'm done. I love my door panels.
This is just a...
It was well explained there.
Yeah.
Please subscribe to see the full video.
It was well explained there.
Yeah.
Or go to our website and get all the information there. Like, subscribe, comment. Thanks. Please subscribe to see the full video. Or go to our website and get all the information there. Like, subscribe, comment. Thanks.